So, hello student friends, welcome to this lecture of digital electronics. So, in the last lecture, we had discussed about the conversion of non-standard POS to standard POS form. Okay, and in this lecture, now we are going to see this converting non-standard SOP to standard SOP form. Okay, so here also the steps are quite same, just we have to consider some different. Second step is a bit different here. Okay, so the steps are: for each term find the missing literal. Again you have to find the missing literal from the each term, right? Then ending the term formed by ORing the missing literal. Now you have to take that missing literal. Okay, so consider if in a given term A is missing. Okay, ORing the missing literal and its complement. So you have to OR the missing literal and its complement, OR this, and this term is ANDed with that given term where this A literal is missing, right? So let's try to solve this example, and then it will be more clear for us to understand the conversion of non-standard SOP to standard SOP. Okay, so here is an example: convert this equation into standard SOP form. Okay, so I can write down the given equation: y equal to AB plus AC bar plus BC. Okay, here also we have to see that while we are adding some extra terms or extra literals here, it should be added such a way that there is no meaning change, of given equation. Okay, now here if you see, this C is missing here, B is missing here, A is missing. अब यहाँ पे लॉजिकली मुझे देखना पड़ेगा कि मुझे C इंक्लूड करना है, ये टर्म में मुझे C इस तरह से इंक्लूड करना है कि इसका मीनिंग चेंज नहीं होना चाहिए. सो लॉजिकली हाउ इट कैन बी डन? Okay, so we can say using ANDing and ORing laws. Okay, so if in the ANDing laws we have seen A dot 1 is equal to A, right? And this 1, using ORing laws, can I write A plus A bar equal to 1? We have seen this ORing law. Okay, so just using these two laws I can add this literal, the missing literal here. So my equation becomes y equal to AB. Now here C is missing, so I will take C plus C bar. Now if you see, this C plus C bar is 1. AB dot 1 is simply AB. Right, then I have A C bar in bracket, B is missing, so I'll take B plus B bar, and here plus BC, A is missing, so A plus A bar. Okay, now just simply try to solve this. So this becomes AB into C is ABC plus AB into C bar is ABC bar plus, now A C bar into B is, I'll write A B C bar plus A B bar C bar plus A B C plus A bar B C. Okay, now here you have to find common terms. Now you can see, now again by ANDing laws, if I say A plus A is equal to A, means the term ORed with same term will give that term itself. Now you can see ABC we have here and ABC we have here, ABC bar here and ABC bar here, right? So out of these two we are going to consider only one term. So my Y is ABC plus ABC bar plus AB, this we have taken, so it is A B bar C bar plus A bar B C. Okay, so how many terms now we are having? 1 2 3 4, right? So this is 1 we have taken, this is 2, this is 3 and this is 4, right? So this is how now you can see each term in above expression has all the literals, right? Therefore it is standard SOP form. Right, so easy it is. Okay, this step here is important. The missing literal, it should be ORing the missing literal and its complement and then ANDing that with the term. Okay, I hope this is clear for you. We can even go for the next example. Now, looking at this equation, first you have to identify that is it SOP or POS. So this equation is SOP. We have taken sum of the products. Now first find the missing literals in each term. Okay, so if I write down y equal to a plus bc plus abc, here if you see both b c are missing, here a is missing and here no literals are missing. Okay, now so how will I take this? So y equal to a b plus b bar, this one, and c is also missing, so I can take c plus c bar. Then here this plus as it is, I will take bc a plus a bar, this plus here as it is, and this abc. Right, now I can solve this. So since this is one term, this is second and this is third, let us go for this first term. So I can there are different ways how you can solve this. You can take a b, consider this b, then c and c bar, then a, consider this b bar, then c and again c bar, this way also. So I can take, first let's try to solve this term, this a b plus a b bar, this c plus c bar plus this is quite easy, we can directly solve this. BC into A is ABC plus A bar BC plus ABC. Okay, now again you need to try this because this is POS form and we are looking for SOP form. Okay, so AB into C is ABC plus AB into C bar. So this with this and this with this. So it is ABC bar plus, now this AB bar C plus AB bar C bar. Okay, plus ABC plus A bar BC plus ABC. Right, now looking for similar terms. So here if you see, we have this ABC, this ABC, ABC, right? Then do we have any further similar terms? A B bar C? No. A B C bar? No. So no similar terms. So my final equation can be y equal to A B C plus A B C bar plus A B bar C plus A B bar C bar plus A bar B C. So this will be my final equation, and if you see in each term all the literals are present either in its own form or in its complement form. Okay, so this is how you can solve or convert a non-standard SOP equation to a standard SOP form. Okay, now why this is required, this conversion is we'll look this we'll try to answer this question in our next concepts. Okay, the next very interesting and very short hand these concepts are these terms, min terms and max terms. Min terms and max terms. Okay, so from a given truth table, so we may have just a truth table, and from that we are supposed to design a circuit. Okay, so that is what these min terms, max terms or SOP or POS are going to help us to design a circuit from simply a truth table. Okay, till then you can try to solve this equation. So this is non-standard SOP and you are supposed to convert this to standard SOP. So you can say standard SOP. If you see this equation, then 4 literals we have A, B, C, D, because we have here is D, this is D here. Okay, so considering 4 literals, you have to see how many literals are missing in each term, and then you can just try to solve this and send me the snap to my personal WhatsApp, then I can understand that you actually have understood the concepts, right? Alright, this is all for this lecture. In next lecture we will go for is min terms and max terms. Till then, have a nice time. Thank you.